All right, still here at Still Austin, still waiting for them to open up. Still got a few hours left, but ran into my good friend Emiliano, one of the distillers here. Did a quick interview with him, so I'm going to show you that next. Are you ready? I know I am. Let's go. Hey, so I'm here with Emiliano, the man, the legend himself. Yep. So today I've been here since 3. I got up at 2, got here about 3:40, almost 4 o'clock in the morning for a barrel drop.
Yes,
For a
sir.
bottle drop.
Yes, sir.
320 bottles. That's all we have today.
Yeah.
So tell us, what's special about this bottle?
So this is the malted big can bourbon that has been a very prominent batch in John's Rare Stock series. This is now, I believe, the 3rd iteration or 4th, technically, if you want to consider the old bourbon that we dropped into one of those former barrels.
Okay.
But that being said, the specialty about this one is we are tapping into a very, very rare and unique Texas resource, which is the first and only Texas cooperage to be made and founded in the state of Texas. Standard cooperage is out in a little bit further past Blanco, Texas. And we were able to be gifted essentially kind of like a gift card barrel. So Greg, the founder of the organization, was going around a few distilleries, dropped off kind of like a gift card, barrel.
Fire barrel.
Yeah, exactly. And so we decided really quickly that we wanted to be not only the first, but the only ones to really truly experiment with the barrel.
Yeah.
So we dropped one of those malted blue corn bourbon barrels into that new charred oak standard barrel. And
Is that why it's so limited? Because it's only one barrel.
it is only one barrel. It is a double oaked malted blue corn bourbon whiskey.
Yeah.
So
Can't wait to try it. I'm excited. So,
y'all gonna be missing out. I've been kind of coining this the Texas coast because it's getting that real nice double oak in the Texas weather. So
yeah, so are they going to be, a lot of times you get to taste it here at the distillery, like when you go, are you going to have bottles to taste?
yes, we will have bottles to taste, and samples to go. They're gonna be quick and they're gonna go fast. But yeah,
I'm like 50 in line, so hopefully I get to taste it too. So I can't wait. Any other things coming out before?
we're always dropping things. Recommend following Coming Whiskey on Instagram. He's very tapped in with the TTBs. There's some labels that have been dropped.
I sent you that one yesterday. Yeah, Nancy little blend that you guys have going.
And then just always follow Still Awesome and myself. We announce when we can.
Yeah.
I make the whiskey. I'm a part of making the whiskey. I don't make the
decision.
So,
all right, so I'm excited. Thanks for hanging out with me, bud.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it. Bye. All right, so that was a quick, fun interview with Emiliano, kind of giving us a little bit about today's drop and a few things that are coming out. So hope you enjoy that. Cheers.